I am Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and as you can see, we have another mattress to review.
Yes.
This one is from Dreamcloud.
It's a lot of layers. It's an infinite amount of layers. It's a cashmere top, gel-infused memory foam, quilted memory foam, then natural latex, then a supporting memory foam, then a super soft memory foam, and then patent-pending coils, not springs, coils.
Coils.
Right? Okay. And then more super soft memory foam just because they had some laying around at this point. So 8 total layers as opposed to like the 4 or 5 of normal beds. So you are getting a lot of technology, or at least a lot of layers. So it's going to be really exciting to see how this kind of stacks up with everything else.
It's already taller than our last mattress.
Yeah.
And
now,
it's not even expanded yet.
Yeah, it is not expanded. Usually they're like 95% expanded, but this looks like it's going to need some time.
This is cute. I like the little...
Oh yeah, the little tufts?
The little tufts.
But if you think about it, like
that.
$1,200 for a queen-size bed is still a lot cheaper than walking into a mattress store where they'll try and, sell you something for $2,400.
Look how puffy it is.
Yeah, these are...
I'm really excited about this mattress.
Yeah, I'm super excited about this one.
I know. Okay, so we're going to have to come back in a while to let this expand. It is expanding rapidly, but it's got a ways to go. So we will be back.
All right.
Okay, it's been several hours. You can see it has expanded, I think probably to its full potential, even though it's only been hours and not days.
Well, it was days for off-gassing.
Okay.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. I don't smell anything.
It doesn't smell like anything. All right, so let's try it out. It's definitely bouncy. Are you worried about it being too bouncy? Is that
I don't know. Here, lay over here.
Okay.
Pretend you're asleep.
I'm asleep.
Okay, ready? Oh, I'm waking up in the middle of the night. I gotta go play with the kids.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's definitely bouncing around a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not like one of those drop a bowling ball on it, and those things make no sense. A bowling ball is like this big.
I was afraid it was going to be too squishy because you sit on it and it feels really squishy, but now that I'm laying down, it actually feels supportive.
Yeah.
I don't want to say firm, but definitely supportive. It's super comfortable.
Yeah, I laid on it for a few minutes and almost fell asleep. So, as usual with the squishier ones, I always worry about, how's my back going to be in the morning.
Squishy ones are comfortable at first, but then they hurt your back after a while.
Right.
The really firm ones often take a while to get used to.
But they're better on your back. So yeah, I'm really interested about this one. I'm super excited. It's got kind of a cool thing that none of the other beds have, which is those coils. So we'll see if the mix of the 7 layers of something else and then the layer of coils really makes a difference. So
anyway, okay, so we're gonna sleep on it for a couple of weeks at least, and we will get back to you with our final thoughts on the Dreamcloud mattress. Hi guys. Okay, so it's been almost 2 months I think that we've been sleeping on our Dreamcloud mattress. It's nice.
After 2 months, that's it? It's just nice?
Well, I mean, at first it's like the bed always needs some breaking in. You lay on it and you're like, oh, this is different from my old bed. I'm not sure this is comfortable.
Yeah, I don't think it took that long for this one to kind of... I don't think it took me that long to get used to this one. I think the biggest thing that it took me to get used to are these little tufts. The fact that it's not flat, that it has this, little peaks and valleys to it. That was a little weird because you can feel them with sheets and everything. Like these are not, these are noticeable.
I didn't notice them at all.
Okay, I noticed them. Because your feet kind of fall into them. I like them. It gives a very different, sort of style than the other, just kind of boring flat beds. I like that there's something in there.
Make it, it looks so much fancier. This looks like a grown-up bed. This is a nice, fancy, luxury bed. Absolutely.
That's true. And if you're looking at a lot of those, box beds thinking, oh, this looks like something that a college kid would have, this one does not. This one absolutely looks like a grown-up bed. This really does.
It has a grown-up price tag, too.
It does. These are a bit more expensive, right?
Absolutely. These ones, the queen size is what? I think it's $1,600?
Yep.
But then make sure you check out the description box. I'm sure that I have a discount code for you. Plus, they're always running deals, throughout the year. So definitely check out for that. But really, it is a really nice bed. And this one is different in all of the other ones because it has coils in it as well. Hi, Marcello. So Colin was telling me the other day that he thinks that means it will last longer and be like a sturdier...
I have that feeling. Could be completely... I have no scientific basis for that, but But yeah, I think it would last longer. It's also a lot taller than than most of the other beds.
Yeah.
So if you don't like the shorter beds, a lot of the other ones in a box are much shorter. So if you're used to the tall ones,
10 inches, I think.
And I kind of think that that's what they're going for this one, with the tufts, with the tallness, with the coils. I think they're trying to get people to convert who are in a regular mattress right now, who don't want to go to a skinny thing that looks like something in a dorm room. They want to go to something that kind of looks and feels more like their traditional mattress. Yeah, and I think all of these things combined, maybe that, like in their marketing, they're trying to get people to move over from higher end spring mattresses.
Right, yeah, like back in the day when we had our Buckingham plush, whatever that was, the Posturepedic, it looked a lot like this, where it had kind of the pillow top and it was a really deep mattress, and it was very plush feeling, and I think that's how this feels. It feels very plush, very luxurious. I've noticed I'm sitting on the edge and not sinking very much.
And that's the other big thing about this bed that I love. It doesn't, because of the coils.
Oh, right.
When you sit on the edge of the bed to like put on your shoes, it doesn't squish down all the way.
Right.
And I really like that about it.
Yeah, no, I think this is a great mattress. I'm really happy with the quality of it. I've been sleeping well, no back pain, no dipping, no major, if I bounce around on my side, it's not a huge thing on his side kind of a thing. I think ultimately, when you're trying to decide which mattress to get, you're going to look at, okay, which one is good for back pain? Is it soft or is it more on the firm side? What's the price tag and the quality? And I think that this one is definitely, if you're looking for more of a high-end luxury mattress, it looks fancy, it feels really nice, it's super comfortable, but it's also super supportive. So I think it could be good for anybody, you know what I mean?
Everybody's mattress.
It kind of is. This is like, the fancy.
It is the fancy.
It is the fancy, right?
So I'd say, yeah, if you're looking for an upscale mattress, this is definitely the one to get. I think if you're going from a spring mattress, an expensive spring mattress, and you want something that looks like your expensive spring mattress, that when people come over, they're not going to say, oh, that's one of those weird bed-in-a-boxes. This is absolutely the bed for you. So
got bed cred.
Yeah. No, absolutely. Because you can say, oh, I got a new bed, and they'll say, oh, I want to see it, and you can just show this to someone, and it does not look like it came in a box. It actually comes in a big roll.
Right, with the quilting and everything, and it looks fancy.
No, it doesn't look like it came in a box at all. So
no,
I think
it's nice. Plus, this is soft.
It's super soft.
Okay, so anyway, I think that we both really like it, and this is definitely the fancy end. This one also has like a lifetime warranty, and they'll come clean it for you for free.
What?
And you have a 365-day trial period, not just 100 days. And, so they've got all the bells and whistles on this one. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget to check that out, especially for discount codes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!